Meaning of hailstorm.
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 Hailstorm. The term hailstorm refers to a weather event characterized by the sudden and intense fall of hailstones from the sky, which can cause damage to crops, buildings, and vehicles. Hailstorms are typically associated with strong thunderstorms that produce updrafts capable of suspending large hailstones in the atmosphere for prolonged periods. Hailstones can range in size from small pebbles to golf balls or even larger, and their impact can cause significant damage to property and infrastructure. In addition, hailstorms can also pose a threat to people caught outside during the storm, as the falling hailstones can cause injury or even death. As a result, it is important to seek shelter immediately if hail is observed or forecasted in your area.